Good morning and welcome to Peyton Chevrolet Buick GMC in Heber Springs. My name is Daniel Ritchie. Now, I know weather has been less than hospitable and everyone's out there screaming for deals, but guess what? At Peyton Chevrolet, we want to start by earning your business in the service department. And for our loyal Peyton customers, we want to tell you about a great deal that we have going on. Right now, we have oil changes starting at $9.95. That's for 5 quarts of conventional oil. Then if you're using the Dexos synthetic blend, you can get an oil change for $19.95. And then for all you diesels and Corvette owners, we have oil changes for $39.95. That's the whole shebang. And like I said earlier, the weather is less than hospitable. It's cold outside, but guess what? We have 2 bays that are heated, and on the inside of our dealership we have an amazing waiting room for our customers that provides coffee. We have a soda machine. We also have a vending machine. So I don't know why you're waiting. Get online, check us out, PeytonAuto.com. We look forward to earning your business again.